What's up, YouTube? This your boy Nate coming at you once again from the Urbanpreneur. Okay, so this is gonna be my review video that I'm gonna do about Dolly and Papa Pals. Okay, so first we're gonna do Dolly. Okay, now I signed up for the Dolly app as a helper, not a driver, as a helper, because you need a pickup truck or a cargo van to work as a driver. Now, as you can see right here, this is one of the gigs that is available for the helper. You see that right there, $34. Let me click on this. Okay, so this is the instructions: full bed, bookcase medium, bookcase large. There's a pickup truck and they need 2 helpers, 3 items. The time is from 2 to 3. From Anaheim to Whittier, that's a drive. From Anaheim to Whittier, that's a drive. That's a little bit of a drive, okay, for only $34. Okay, so I haven't done any gigs for Dolly because the times are normally during the day or morning times during the week, which I have my job, so I don't have time to work as a helper. And also, they're just not busy. They're not busy. This is the first gig that has popped up this whole week, to be honest with you. So it's pretty dead. Now, I'm assuming it's like that because, because I signed up as a helper. I'm pretty sure it would be busier if you're a driver. So Dolly's really not popping like that. So not much to talk about here. Like I said, I haven't done any gigs for them, but that is what it is. So let's go over to, let me click out of here. Let's go over to Papa Pals. Now this is gonna be, hold on, let me do this. I want to show you the payout that I did for Papa Pals. Okay, let's talk about the payout. Let's just get straight to it. This is the payout that I have for Papa Pals, and this is going to be my last time talking about Papa Pals because I really like this app. I really like this app. This is better than Veo. Okay, it's like Veo on steroids. Okay, the only thing with Papa Pals, it's not as busy as Veo. Veo, you can get a lot of rides, but it's a lot of low-paying rides. Papa Pals, you can get steady gigs daily, and the payout's pretty good. It's pretty good. So I've done a few gigs for Papa Pals. I like it. I'm not going to talk about this. It's probably my last video I'm going to talk about Papa Pals because I don't want it to get oversaturated. So this is what I got paid. I did a little bit over 2 hours. This was a really easy gig. 46.90, slightly over 2 hours. The minimum payout is 18. You see it, 18. You see how many minutes, and then they pay you mileage. This was a transportation gig. Simple, easy. Just drove him around, an elderly man running errands. Okay? And this is like my second week doing Papa Pals. The payouts are really good. Okay? I'm over in the app. Okay? They have them all over. Okay, hold on. That's Tariq Nishi. Uh-oh. Sorry about that, guys. So they have Papa Pals in San Diego County, and they have them all over. LA County, San Diego County, and Orange County. Okay, so I'm already booked for this Saturday. Car required, meaning it's going to be a transportation. You take them to appointments, or you run errands with them. You see the age right here, elderly, the times. They pay you if you go over too. And if you don't work the full hour, you still get paid the full hour. Okay, you will still get paid the full hour because I did a gig. It was supposed to last for an hour. It only went for like 20 minutes and I got paid for that full hour. If they call out at the last minute, you'll still get paid. So if the client cancels the last minute, you will still get paid for the full hour. So I like this app, Papa Pals. And like I said, this is gonna be my last video talking about Papa Pals because I don't want this to get saturated, and I'm not gonna shoot myself in the foot. Kind of like what I did with Hop Skip Drive. So that's all I got for you guys. If you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to create a Patreon channel to where I really go into details of like other money making side hustles. Okay, so with that being said, it's your boy Nate, the Urbanpreneur. I'm out.